In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments. We'll build a clean, professional form that collects exactly what you need: name, email, a preferred date and time, plus an optional notes section. Then we'll preview and publish it so you can share it right away. Start by opening Google Forms and choosing blank to create a new form. Click the form title at the top and type Appointment Scheduling. Right beneath that, add a clear description with simple instructions. Let people know the purpose of the form, what information they should provide, and how you'll follow up. You can also mention your typical response time, your availability window, or whether the meeting will be in person or virtual. Keeping this concise but specific helps set expectations and reduces back and forth later. Next, click the plus icon to add your first question. Type full name. Open the question type dropdown and switch it to short answer. Then toggle required on so no one can submit without entering their name. This keeps your responses organized and makes it easy to address people correctly. Add a second question with the plus icon and label it email. Again, change the type to short answer and turn required on. Having an email ensures you can confirm appointments, send reminders, or share meeting links without delay. Add another question and title it Preferred Appointment Date. From the dropdown, choose Date and toggle Required on. Using the date type gives respondents a calendar picker, which makes selection quick and reduces errors from typos or mixed date formats. Add the next question, Preferred Time. Change the type to Time and turn Required on. The time field prompts for a specific hour and minute, helping you line up availability precisely. If you work in a specific time zone, it's helpful to note that in your description so people choose the correct time. If you want to give people space to add context, click the plus icon again and create an optional notes or comments question. Set the type to paragraph and leave it as optional so respondents only use it when needed. Before sharing, click the preview icon in the upper right to see exactly what your audience will experience. Test the flow on desktop and mobile, and make sure each required field behaves as expected. When you're happy with everything, click the purple Publish button in the upper right. From there, you can copy a link to share, send the form by email, or embed it on a website. Choose whichever fits your workflow. You now have a streamlined appointment scheduling form that's easy to use and ready to collect responses.